What up, guys? Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Import Life Media. And today what we're gonna do is continue working on Mindy's car and getting it back to her. So last you saw, it was towed away, busted out the transmission, got it back, and then I had to drive it for a little bit to make sure that everything was running properly. Anytime you switch things out like that, you wanna give it about between 100 to 300 miles of breaking it in. So got the car back, was doing that. But what sucks is she never knew I had the car. So I'm driving around minding my business, hoping to avoid her, and she saw me on the streets. Still didn't give her car back because I told her I have to make sure everything is dialed in. Today, what we're gonna do is we are going to be switching out her system. Let me also tell you, before we switch the system out, what I ended up doing was lifting her car up. These tires were actually tucked up underneath the fender. It was dumb low, and so was the back. Every single corner of the car was at a different height. Some was slightly lower, higher than the other, so it was awkward, you know? So got that all dialed in, got it even, got an alignment. Also did a full engine flush about 3 times. So that consists of changing the oils. I cleaned out the fuel injection, her valve stems, pistons. I did the whole radiator, just did everything. Make sure everything was clean. So now I know that her engine's running smooth, transmission's new. We're switching out her system. She currently already has a system in here and her shit beats, but I want it to bang, beat bang. So she already has a doubled in, okay, Pioneer doubled in head unit, and her subs in the back are actually ported through the center console, the armrest in the back of her car. Right now she's running 2 Kicker L7s, 2 12s. So each of them were about 750 RMS, and she loves it. She has no problems with it. Actually, she's been just asking, can I just get my car back? But what we're gonna do is switch it out for something bigger, something stronger and much more powerful. This is what her system currently looks like. It's a clean setup. You know what I mean? Very nice. Very nice. But we're gonna do something a lot bigger and better. She has no idea, and I'm pretty sure she's gonna be excited. So right now we're gonna be switching out the head unit that produces more power, more clarity, and more tunability for the subs. We're gonna be putting in a brand new box and a brand new sub that is gonna be stupid, all right? Tune in. Yo!
Man, these cars are crazy. Did you see that?
All right, so what I'm doing right now is disconnecting these wires because these wires actually lights up the box. The new box is not gonna have any lights because it's gonna need to be very, very much stronger to be able to hold all the power that we're about to put in it. This gotta go. And what's cool about it is the way we set it up. She has a whole extra battery, it's a lithium battery, another amp for her subs, and another amp specifically for her door speakers. And the way we have it set up is it's hidden when the cover's over it, but it also gives easy access. You have to do any adjustments or any, removing or replacing. While it's hidden, it's still very much easily accessible and convenient. So let's get this out.
At the bottom of the ocean, don't know if I'll make it back home.
Yeah, your boy is sweating, putting in work. So it's out now. This is what it looks like. I need to remove that because it's gonna be covered. No point in having a jack. But battery, amp for the subs, amp for the mids and highs, 2 fans to keep them cool because they are underneath here. This amp is a Rockford Fosgate Power Series. It is rated at 2,500 watts, but with the Power Series, they actually give you about 25% more power. Grossly underrated. 3,400 watts in here, even though it's 2,500. So these are very good amps, very strong. So now we go and see my boy Josh. Josh, he does bass competitions. Actually, you've seen his truck in one of the past videos of Bass Wars. But I don't know how to connect head units. So what we're gonna do is connect her brand new head unit, install her brand new fucking box, install her brand new subs, and get it tuned and dialed in. After that, we drop the car off to her, surprise her, see how she likes it. So we're putting in one Sundown ZV512. It's rated at 2,000 watts RMS. So you're gonna be throwing 2,000 watts at it just for it to play. Peak, like the most, is about 4,000. 4,000 to 4,500. Actually, I've seen some people just do a straight 5K, 5,000 watts to one subwoofer. These things are tough. To get an idea about how big these things are, how massive the magnet is, this is the ZV512, okay, Sundown. It looks nice, but to get an idea of how big this thing is, soda can. Look at that. Now, the reason why we're only putting one is because a box and the airspace to put this in, her trunk would need to be huge. Like, she will have no more trunk space at all. Dude, like, just the magnet itself is bigger than the can. So, with the two L7s, right? 750 watts each, RMS, times 2, that's 1,500 watts. But they get hot. You can't just do damage to them. This one, starting out with 2,000 watts, and you can put a lot of work in, a lot of power to this, and it's just gonna knock. So let's get it in. It's gonna be a lot, but she's gonna be able to adjust it, turn it down. But pretty sure she'll be happy. Let's get it. All right, so we made it to my boy's house, and just so you know what kind of, hey, this little Mini Cooper right here is stupid. As for what's in it, but this is the type of stuff that he does. Systems are dope. That ZV5 weighs about 100 pounds. The two L7s that we took out weigh about 25 pounds each. So as big as it is, as huge as that magnet is, it also weighs a lot. 100-pound subwoofer and taking two 25-pound subwoofers out. But this is what he does. It was like a normal purple kind of beat up Suburban, but this is what's in his. I don't know if you guys can see his door speakers. This thing is dumb loud. See this tape right here? Because it's so loud, it blows the doors off. Literally blows the doors off.
Should be putting me on camera. This is dual 2, right?
Should be.
Fucking hope it is. But yeah, that's all you got to do, then it's good.
I hope it's dual 2.
Should be. If that's what you bought.
I hope.
But I'll find my meter after I'm done caulking.
Okay.
And we'll hit it.
All right, losing sunlight, but as Josh is taking care of the head unit, like I said, I don't know how to wire or do none of that with RCAs. I'm not trying to mess it up. He's a professional, so while he's getting that and kicking that ass, I'll be back here wiring the sub to the box, to the amp, to the everything, to the some more of it. Let's get it going before it starts raining. Dude, all bad. It's raining now. It is raining. And we're at a race against time, but actually, fuck, we ran out of time. I ride with the, I slide with the, don't you know, from the LBC. All right, so couldn't get Mindy's car back to her last night, obviously because you saw it started raining, which postponed, but her car is done. So we're gonna get the car to her this morning. Put the head unit in, boom, check. It's in there. The box and the sub looking very clean. And she's gonna get her car back after, damn, maybe 2 months. You know what I'm saying? Because the car was broke down in my garage for a while. But she's also gonna be pissed. I guarantee that she's looking beat, just like me, because waking her up and she's at home with her son. So it is what it is. But you're gonna get your car, all right? Let's get it to her.
Why do you do this shit? What did you do? So, oh my God. I don't even know what to say. My God. Hi, everybody.
Watch this.
Dude. And I was just telling you the other day, I'm like, see, bigger systems, bigger complications.
Right.
Oh my God, now I had the kickers, the L7s, I knew exactly what I had.
You want to see how far down your base is? We're at -15. Yeah.
And these are the
And-
ones that he recombed.
They're here now.
When you were doing this, were you like, she's gonna fucking be like, dude, what the fuck? You didn't need to do any of this. Like, did you
Wow.
tell him, like, she's been telling me, like, that she doesn't need to upgrade or anything? Did you tell him
It's all
that?
good.
Okay. Wow. Okay. So I'm gonna have to be careful with things leaning up against right here. Like, I thought it would come out to further for whatever reason.
We can put 2 in there.
You should have seen it when the shit was playing. The truck was and the roof was.
Oh, yeah?
I could be in base wars now. I felt like. Swear. Oh my gosh, you're wild. Thank you, Import Life.
For sure. Episode done. Like, subscribe, make comments. Let me know what you guys think. Follow me on IG, Import Life Media. Holla at your boy.